Nice old unit that some of you guys may recognize from the 90s, early 2000s. It's definitely a 20 years old unit. Nice old unit. And it quit heating on us, so what we're going to do is we're going to figure out why it's nervous. So remove the cover here. Put the cover off over the side there. And what we got here, our check valves here. We got our check valve, our Schrader cord, and cabinet chip and stuff behind the cover here. And we're going to figure out why, try to ascertain why that is. So, let's see if we can see if we can turn this guy on and see what happens. If she fires right up, I think she will. Fan. Blower, compressor. And there she is. Started right up for us. That's getting really cold already. Probably see some ice in it here. And yeah, she is working pretty well now. So what's happening right now, it's nighttime, it's a bit dark, you can't really see too well. Fan's running. I don't think I should put my gauges on it. Flashlight sometimes doesn't work. But there's our gauge port right there for our low side. Can't really see, and there's a lot of fun. But yeah, compressors up and back in there and stuff. It's all tucked away in there. Pulling a little bit. There's our restriction. And it's getting really cold. Fast, and it should be icing up inside there. A little bit of ice, I think, on there. There's ice on there. It's getting really cold, so anyway. Yeah, it's working now, so anyway. Guys, I think I'm in this little alcove tucked in area back here. I'm gonna get out of here, get back into my nice warm room, and I will see you guys on the next one. So anyway, bye.